Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare C4 versus Ghost pre-workout. We'll dive into their key ingredients, performance benefits, and overall value to help you decide which one is right for your fitness goals. Understanding the differences in their formulas is crucial for optimizing your workout experience. Let's break down what each product brings to the table, starting with their core energy components. When it comes to energy and focus, C4 Original typically features ingredients like carnosine-beta-alanine, which helps with muscular endurance and can cause a tingling sensation. Ghost Legend, on the other hand, often includes a higher dose of L-citrulline, known for enhancing blood flow and muscle pumps. Both products also incorporate compounds, such as L-tyrosine, to support mental focus during intense training sessions, ensuring you stay sharp. For performance and muscle pumps, C4 often utilizes arginine alpha-ketoglutarate, or ALK, to support nitric oxide production, leading to better blood flow and a fuller pump. Ghost Legend frequently features patented ingredients like nitrosigin, which is clinically shown to boost nitric oxide levels for longer-lasting pumps and improved vascularity. Both pre-workouts are designed to help you push through your limits, reduce fatigue, and maximize your workout intensity. Regarding flavor and value, C4 is renowned for its extensive range of classic and innovative flavors, often at a more accessible price point. Ghost Legend stands out with its authentic flavor collaborations, mimicking popular candies and cereals, which many users find incredibly appealing. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preferences for ingredients, taste, and budget. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. We hope this comparison helps you choose your next pre-workout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.